Hi guys, Daryl here, Easy Cooking New Zealand Way. Now I know it's been some time since we've posted up a video, but we had a request from a subscriber asking about a carrot cake. So I said yes, we will have a carrot cake done, and unfortunately, as you can see, I'm on these pegs because I've done myself a back injury. But fortunately enough, I have my little apprentice here.
Hi.
Paige, how old are you, Paige? So she's 9 years old and she's going to be doing the carrot cake. How's that? She's actually going to be the first one to use my mixer on my channel. So previously, since the last video, we have bought ourselves a brand new mixer, nice big Rebel. But yeah, so she's going to be the lucky one to use it first on the channel. We've pre-measured and pre-organised the ingredients, so it's just easy for Paige to just add to the bowl, turn the mixer on, and we'll chuck it in the oven. And it'll also show how easy it is to actually cook, how easy it is to bake, that a 9-year-old can do it. She actually bakes by herself anyway. So that's our intro. I'll set the camera up and I'll be on the other side of the camera just guiding Paige on what to do and what to add. And yeah, we'll get into it. Okay, so we're all set up and we're ready to cook. I'm behind the camera, Paige is in front of the camera, and she's just going to introduce the ingredients. Obviously it's a carrot cake, and for the volumes just check on the information below in the video, and yeah, so Paige will introduce you the ingredients.
So these are the carrots, these are the eggs, this is the oil, sugar, flour, baking soda, and cinnamon, and salt, and vanilla essence.
That's right. And we pre-beated the eggs because when we start adding everything we can't turn the mixer up high. So we pre-beat the eggs basically with every cake, just pre-beat the eggs so that they're already fluffy. So first of all, Paige is going to grab the sifter and into the bowl. First of all, she can move. We pre-greased the round cake tin. Show that. That's it there. That can go to the side now. We don't need that yet. But we're going to sift all the dry ingredients. So the flour, are you going to be able to pour the flour into that? Do you want the big sieve? I'll grab you the big sieve, eh? Okay, so we'll use that sieve now. So we'll do the flour. Is it baking soda? Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Salt. And just give that a bit of a tap down. I don't think the sugar will go through it. So just sieve that and then pour the sugar in over top.
Yep.
And that'll do. If they don't go through, don't worry about it. Put it aside, tip the sugar in. Now you're going to put that into the mixing bowl, into the mixer, sorry. You right?
Is it locked?
Yep. Lower that down. Is it locked? Try to lift it up. It's locked?
Yeah.
Yep. Now come, just turn the dial up on low.
On where?
Just turn it a little bit.
There, and one more.
Keep going until it starts turning. Right, come back. Turn it off. see what we have a new mixer, so we've got to work it out. That'll be a big flop if we don't get it cooked. Just wasn't locked down properly, I don't think.
Okay, so what one do
Just on slow. Yep. Now add the carrot slowly. Okay, now I'll put the vanilla in with the egg. Yep, into the egg. And now tip that egg mixture into there. Now we'll just let that mix for a little bit. Now it's all ingredients except for the oil. Is that right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to just gradually add the oil, like slowly. Now it seems like a lot of oil, but this cake doesn't have any butter, and so be a very moist cake. Yep, just slowly. I'll just come around and I'll turn that mixer up. Are you alright? Keep going. You just want to mix in a little bit quicker when you're adding the oil to get it mixed in really well, otherwise the oil will separate out. All mixed, all done. So that's how simple that is to mix the cake. Now we'll just let it keep mixing for a few minutes. Does that look mixed nicely? Right back, all the way off, yep. That's cool how it's got a light, eh? So lift the mixer up. And we'll scrape that paddle free. Oh, sorry. Scrape it the best you can. Now take it off and chuck it in the bowl that had the egg in it. Push it up. Give it a turn. Like that. Now, push all those bowls around here. Can we right tipping that in?
Yeah. I think so.
that's our pre-greased 20 centimetre round cake tin. We tip that in there. Just greased it with butter. The only butter used in this recipe. Use that to scrape it out. So most of the height of this cake is going to come from, because it hasn't got baking powder, it's only got baking soda, which is a raising agent but not as great, is going to be those pre-beaten eggs. This is what's going to help keep this aerated and light. So the better you beat those eggs, the better the cake will be before you add them. We just quickly hand beated them. I think if I was making a cake for someone else, I would have chucked them in the cake mixer and beat them for about 5 minutes. This is just for the family. So now, there's that, and we put it in the oven on 170, which I'm not sure what that is Fahrenheit. I'll put that up in the video. 35 to 45 minutes. I usually go 35 minutes. Our oven's a little bit hot, so yeah, we'll put that in the oven. Okay, so our cake has been cooking for actually longer than what it was meant to, just because of our oven. Been in there for about 55 minutes. So in the description I'll alter the temperature and the cooking time for you guys. It's just my oven is a little bit hot in places, and yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to check the cake, make sure it's right, and you'll see that the top of the cake may be a little bit dark, which is fine because we'll put a cream cheese icing on top. But yeah, so Paige is going to attempt to check the cake on a hot oven because I can't bend down to it. So here we go. Just be careful because it's hot. Now grab the tray, the rack, sorry. Grab the rack, pull that out a little bit. That's it. You notice how that's just a little bit dark. Put a knife in, pull it out, it should be clean. Show the camera. They're clean? Yeah, that's clean. So that's nicely cooked, obviously longer than what we could. Paige can't get that out of the oven because it's still very, very hot. But from this point on, I would say let it rest for about 10 minutes. And if you cream cheese icing is actually probably the best icing to go with this. I put walnuts on top sometimes. I'll put a link to the video at the end of this one. I do have a video showing you how to make it, but that's us. We will pull the cake out, ice it later, get a finished photo, and yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment. If there's anything that you'd like to see made, let us know, because I've got an apprentice here that can help. So yeah, until next time, take it easy.